But let's check out what a Hellcat looks like in hibernation. Oh yeah, it's sleeping. Even got his socks on. Brand new. Looks like it's time to wake up the Hellcat. It's daytime. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'd be very grateful and appreciative. It's raining, unfortunately, so we're not going to do quite a drive. You can look at it. Oh yeah, but here it is. Well, here's the clouds. You got the SRT steering wheel, flat bottom. It's pretty awesome. It doesn't have the carbon fiber, it has more like the metal tin. Seats are huge. Back seats look comfortable because you know what? It's a Charger. This is the back seat. Look pretty plush. 86 grand though? Yeah, I don't know. No sound. I like the orange. The orange really makes it stand out.